Hi everyone, welcome to How to PC channel, and in this video I'm gonna do a review on the Bridgefy app. So I want to show you how to download this app, what it's good for, and how to use it. So let's start with what this app is all about. So Bridgefy is an offline messenger that works on the following principle. Each phone is like a router, so if two phones are not far from each other, they can correspond with each other without connecting to the internet. Accordingly, if there are several phones not far from each other, one person will be able to send a message through the other to a third person. So let's get started by installing the app. You can easily install Bridgefy from Play Store as me, or you can install it from App Store, of course. So let's enter in the search box Bridgefy. Here it is. Let's install the app. Tap on install now. Okay, here you can see more information about the app. You can see the app's interface. It's look pretty good. And very soon we will see for ourselves how it looks like. And also the app has a lot of downloads, 1 million plus, but unfortunately the app has a bad rating. I don't know why. Only 2.1, but let's try to use the app. But I think the app isn't as bad as they say it's. So now we are in the app, and here we have to turn on Bluetooth. So let's swipe down, and I can activate Bluetooth right here. And after that, tap on start. Okay. And finally, I can sign up. I can continue with Google or with Apple. So let's try to continue with Google account. Here, type your full name. And in the second field, you have to enter your username. Okay, almost there. And now I can use the app. So here you can see that I have only one chat, public chat. So you can talk to all Bridgefy users around you, but I don't think that people around me have this app. But let's try to type here something, for example, hi. Okay, and here I can delete the message at the top right, and at the very bottom there are two tabs, profile and chats. So go to profile. Here I can edit my profile. I can turn on notifications, sounds, and so on. Well, guys, I think that's all for today, because the app is very simple, the interface is user-friendly, and I think I've covered the basics. So if this video helped you, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.